In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import GitHub repository into Replit. Let's get started right from your Replit home dashboard. If you're already signed in, you'll land on the main page where your projects live. This is the central hub for everything you build in Replit, and it's exactly where you want to be to bring a GitHub project into your workspace. At the top left, look for the Import option and click it. This is Replit's quick path for pulling code from external sources, and it saves you from copying files manually. When the import panel opens, choose GitHub. Replit supports importing directly from GitHub to make the process smooth and reliable. Now, you have two simple ways to bring in your repository. The first way is to paste the GitHub repository URL. This is great if you already have the link handy, especially for public repositories. Just copy the full URL from your browser's address bar on GitHub and paste it into the field. The second way is to connect your GitHub account. If you choose to connect, Replit may prompt you to authorize access so it can list your repositories. Once connected, you can simply pick the repo from your account without needing to paste anything. If the repository is private, connecting your account is the recommended approach, so Replit can access it securely. Before you start the import, take a moment to review the privacy and related options for your new repo. This determines whether your project on Replit will be public or private, and it can include other small preferences like the project name. Choose what fits your needs. For example, if you're working on a personal project or something you don't want to share yet, set it to private. If it's open source and you want collaborators to see it, public is fine. When you're ready, click Import from GitHub. Replit will begin pulling the code and setting up the environment. This may take a moment, depending on the size of the repository. You'll see your files appear in the file tree on the left as the import completes, and the main editor will load your project so you can review the code right away. And that's it. You've successfully imported a GitHub repository into Replit. From here, everything is in place for you to explore the files, review the structure, and continue working in your cloud-based development environment. If anything doesn't load as expected, double-check that you used the correct URL or that your GitHub account connection has permission to access the repository. Otherwise, you're good to go.